Good morning students. In previous video we learned about creepers, climbers and stem, and today in this video we will learn about leaf. So let us start. सबसे पहले हम लोग ये जानते हैं कि पत्तियां स्टेम से कैसे अटैच होती हैं। स्टूडेंट, लीफ में एक पार्ट होता है पेटियोल, जिससे कि पत्तियां स्टेम से अटैच होती हैं। और स्टूडेंट, लीफ के ब्रॉड और ग्रीन पार्ट को लैमिना कहते हैं। लेट अस नो अबाउट लीफ in detail by doing an activity. First of all, we put a leaf under a white sheet of paper or a sheet in our notebook. Then we hold it in place as shown in this picture. Then we hold our pencil tip sideways and rub it on the portion of the paper having the leaf below it. We get an impression with some lines in it. These lines are similar to those on the leaf. Students, पत्तियों पे ये जो लाइंस होती हैं इनको वेन्स कहते हैं। हम लोग लीफ के मिडिल में एक प्रोमिनेंट लाइन देख सकते हैं, इसको मिड रिब कहते हैं। The design made by veins in a leaf is called leaf venation. If this design is net-like on both sides of midrib, the venation is called reticulate. And if the veins are parallel to one another, the venation is called parallel venation. Students, for better understanding of the concept of leaf venation, you need to observe the venation in as many leaves as you can without removing them from plants. Let us now find out some of the functions of the leaf by doing activities. Students, let us do an activity which shows that water comes out of leaves in the form of vapor. For this activity, we need a herb, one transparent polythene bag, and thread. We do this activity during daytime on a sunny day, and we use a healthy, well-watered plant that has been growing in the sun. We enclose a leafy branch of the plant in a polythene cover and tie up its mouth. After a few hours, we observe the inner surface of the cover. Then we find some droplets of water there. This activity suggests that water comes out of leaves in the form of vapor. This process in which water comes out of leaves in the form of vapor is called transpiration. Students, plants release a lot of water into the air through this process. Let us now revise what we have learned today by solving some questions. Question number 1. The part of leaf by which leaf is attached to the stem is called. Option A, midrib. Option B, lamina. Option C, petiole. Option D, veins. And the correct answer is option C, petiole. Question number 2. Broad green part of leaf is called. Option A, midrib. Option B, lamina. Option C, petiole. Option D, veins. And the correct answer is option B, lamina. Question number 3. The prominent line on the middle of the leaf is called. Option A, midrib. Option B, lamina. Option C, petiole. Option D, veins. And the correct answer is option A, midrib. Practice makes perfect. Students, these are some homework questions that you need to solve at your home. I hope that you will answer these questions correctly. Thank you.